This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility using your school email or student ID that establishes access. Next, make sure you have a payment method or institutional billing set up because some plans require verification. Once done, open the latest Chrome or another supported browser and sign into your Google account. You'll then go to Gemini Pro's sign-up flow, choose the student option when prompted. This step moves you from preparation into the actual enrollment process quickly and avoids delays. You'll now complete verification by uploading a student ID or using your institution's single sign-on. This proves eligibility and unlocks discounts. After that, choose the student plan that fits: monthly student discount, annual, or an institution-provided license if available. Make sure to review requested permissions and enable any required APIs or browser extensions for classroom integrations. Once confirmed, accept the terms and finalize billing. These middle steps ensure the account is configured correctly for both personal and classroom workflows. You finish by setting up your profile, adjusting privacy settings, and confirming billing details so there are no interruptions. Next, test Gemini Pro with a simple prompt and enable workspace or collaboration features used in class. Make sure integrations like Google Drive are connected. If verification or access fails, retry with higher resolution documentation or a different browser. And if that doesn't work, contact Google support or your institution's IT. This final check ensures reliable access for coursework and exams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.